Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we have another lovely prize for you. This is a 1989 Kawasaki KX250 EVO. It's all been lightly restored, fully serviced. It's got this lovely FMF fatty exhaust and matching silencer. This one is being drawn on the 24th of August 2025, which is this Sunday, if you're watching this video as it comes out. Yeah, really striking machine. Very nice condition and quite easy to start, which I will show you now. So I've actually got barefoot shoes on, so these are very flimsy, and I can start it with these on. So it's all been very well set up, haven't been fully serviced and lightly restored. So we'll see what happens. There we are. Starts really easily. Engine sounds fantastic. Very sweet revving machine. Ready to race, I think. If you like your motocross bikes and your classic EVOs, it's £10 a ticket, and it ends this Sunday, like I said. It's one of our first motocross bikes, so we'll see how it goes. We might do some more in the future, so yeah, check us out, classiccompetitioncompany.com.